We begin tonight with breaking news. The defense in the murder trial of Brad Compher has rested its case. Compher is charged with killing Norrie Jones nearly 20 years ago in Pocatello. Local News 8's Linda Larson has been following this trial since it began. She's live outside the Bannock County Courthouse. Linda.
Todd, everyone in the courtroom today was shocked when the defense announced that it was finished calling witnesses just hours after it started. In fact, just yesterday, the defense gave the court a list of witnesses that it was going to call that was expected to last several days. Just yesterday, they said that they were going to call the first witness on the stand, and that was Robert Spillett. But the jury never saw or heard from him. This video of him was from when he was entering the courtroom today. Spillett was an original suspect in the case. He was accused of harassing Norrie Jones at her workplace at Job Service in the months before the murder. Before the jury came in, Judge Javier Gabiola was told that Spillett would likely plead the Fifth Amendment. After talking to the attorneys, the judge ruled that since Spillett would in fact plead the Fifth Amendment to every question, he would not testify in front of the jury. The defense then called back several of the police detectives, asking them questions in an attempt to cast doubt on the procedures of evidence collection and possible cross-contamination. All of the witnesses testified that proper handling and care were taken to ensure that that didn't happen. The defense also called two of the landlords on the property where Norrie lives. One of them, Doug Coffin, said that he worked with Brad Compher doing maintenance at some of the properties, including at the Norrie Jones home. Now, this goes against Compher's interview testimony when he was arrested 10 years ago, where he said that he had never been to the home. Tomorrow, the jury was supposed to hear from convicted murderer Tory Adamczyk. He has been brought over from a Boise prison and is being held in the Bannock County Jail until he testifies. And now that is not going to happen. The attorneys and the judge will work on jury instructions tomorrow, and closing arguments in the case will begin on Monday. And Todd, the case should be in the hands of the jury by Monday afternoon. So it's been a very interesting day in court.
All right, Linda, thank you for that. Reporting live there outside the Bannock County Courthouse.